Yes, in today's video we'll be talking about how we can be able to get our tracking number from the supplier. All right, the tracking number is the number you give to your shipping company for them to be able to track your goods. Okay, so here we are on the app. I prefer using the app, however you can do the same in your Chrome browser. Okay, but me, I just prefer using the app. So here you go. We'll click on this icon here at the bottom right corner. All right, that's what we'll click on. That's our profile. Okay, so we'll click on that, and then here we are. If you see here, you see different icons here. Okay, so we're going to translate them. Remember, when you're using the app, you always make use of your Hi Dictionary. We've already filmed a video about how you can be able to download and install your Hi Dictionary and make use of it. So for this very first icon is pending payment. Then for the second one is to be delivered, your goods that are to be delivered. Then for this third, to be received. Okay, and this is where you get a tracking number. Then for the next one, be evaluated, and the last, refund after sale. It's possible for you to get a refund if maybe you don't want to proceed with your purchase. Okay, so now we'll make use of this to be received. The icon that looks like a truck, this truck icon, that's where you click on. It's like it's at the middle, so that's why you click on for you to get your tracking number, okay, or waybill number, whichever way. When we click on it, it will take us to another page, and there you see all your items that have been shipped, and then you get a tracking number. For mine, I have 10 items there that have been shipped. So here we are. Okay, extended receipt, view logistics, and then acknowledge receipt of goods. So is this view logistics that we're going to make use of? It's the same thing when you're using the Chrome browser. This logistics, that's where you click on to. Okay, so view logistics, we'll click on this view logistics. Okay, it's loading. Boom, here we are. All right, so you see it has been shipped. Here is the waybill number, the name of the logistic company, the time of shipment, and then logistics number. So this is the one we want to take, the waybill number. This is what we want to copy and send to our shipping company that we are expecting this particular item from this supplier. Okay, and then we'll copy it, just long press. Okay, then we'll click on copy. We've already copied it. All right, and then you send to your supplier. So that's it. It's very simple. It's as easy as that. Thanks so much for watching this very video to the very end. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got value. And please do not forget to like and share. See you in my next video. Bye.